Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be making a cooking video with Mom, and it's a very impromptu cooking video. We're just coming here for dinner, so I decided to film her pork chop recipe that she always makes. And because I know a lot of you have been wanting to see more cooking with Mom.
Wow.
So she doesn't believe me, so leave a comment if you miss seeing Gail Tyra on the videos.
OMG.
But anyway, for dinner usually when the family comes over, we always bring something. So
They invite themselves over.
when we invite ourselves over, so Reid and I, we just went to the market before this, but we were gonna make a salad. So we brought some lettuce. We brought a pie in, which is in the fridge, which I'll show later. And then Reid also got some strawberries from Japan, which are very pricey, but hopefully they're supposed to be really sweet. And then he also got some poke for Grandma, because Grandma really likes poke. But anyway, I set up my camera here. This is usually how I film the videos. And so we'll do a impromptu cooking with Mom, and it'll be a little bit more relaxed looking than probably other videos. So anyway, hope you enjoy. Alright, so we are going to be making pork chops today, and Mom says, Mom, do you make this recipe all the time?
A variation of it. I do whatever comes to mind. So there's no real recipe.
No real rhyme or reason.
It's just
What you had in the freezer.
It's just you invited yourself to dinner today. So I happened to take the pork chops out, and
We like free food here.
and so half of it is defrosted, and the other half is almost defrosted.
How many pounds of pork is this?
4.68.
Wow, to the T. Okay. And we have the Reuben Tyrus coming over for dinner as well, so this should feed all of us.
And pork is very easy to cook, and it cooks very quickly. Okay, so I made a mixture. It has salt,
I'll show this.
garlic powder, black pepper,
Okay.
this coffee rub from Pepper Palace,
Oh.
and paprika.
Okay.
So hopefully it's
Are we
good.
gonna put it over it?
Yes.
Okay. Do you want me to do here? Show me how you're gonna do it.
Okay. You know what? I need to wash my hands first. I use this to mix it. We're going to. I already started heating up my pan, and I'm just gonna sprinkle my concoction here. Hopefully it's good. Hopefully it works out well. Sprinkle from high above, so you don't get a whole concentration like I did right there. And then we'll cook one side at a time. And
Is this all you're doing to it? We could put flour on it or something?
no,
Oh.
just pork chops.
All right.
Simple.
Just simple. Okay. Sounds good.
Hopefully it's good.
How
I think
long
it's
do you
5
cook?
minutes. 5
pork
minutes
chops?
each side. So I do like to use olive oil, and this is sauteing, stir frying, extra virgin olive oil for sauteing and stir frying.
So for those that want to see what you use, there's garlic powder, this coffee rub. This is a new one. I've never seen this.
It's from New Orleans.
Paprika, and you said salt, right? Salt and pepper.
Black pepper and salt.
Black pepper and salt. So I noticed that you get the bone in pork.
Yeah.
Do you like getting bone
I buy
in?
whatever is good price.
So stay tuned because we have some exciting videos coming up. We have, I know many of you really liked the video with my mom and her brothers. And so we are going to be doing another segment of the plantation cooking here on this channel in a couple weeks. And then also Grandma's birthday is coming up as well. Grandma's going to turn 100. And so we're very excited to celebrate her birthday. And so I'm sure I'll be sharing some of that with all of you as well. So keep watching because yeah, lots of exciting things here in our family happening. How do you feel that Grandma's turning 100?
Oh, I'm really happy for her. She's doing great, actually.
Yeah.
Yeah, she's really doing great.
So Grandma goes through phases. Sometimes she like, you know, is very much alert of what's happening, and sometimes some days are not as. Doesn't want to do anything. Yeah. So, but recently I've noticed that she's been eating better and just, you know, wanting to be around family. So it's nice. So maybe in this video you'll catch a glimpse. We'll see.
See if she comes up.
We'll see if she makes an appearance. My favorite way to cook pork actually is making it into tonkatsu. For some reason I like using pork over chicken. I think because it's more like it's all the same size and shape, especially when you get just the pork fillets. And that's usually what I do when I make pork. Today also is St. Patrick's Day, and we're eating pork. Well, we don't have the traditional corned beef.
I know we usually make it. I was thinking about it, but somehow just never got to go to the market. So too busy over here.
That one looks ready to flip.
I want it to be a little brown. That looks better, right?
Are we gonna make a gravy with this or something, or how do you serve this?
How about with ketchup? If that's more to your liking.
No,
nice brown.
Ketchup is fine. Yeah, that's nice.
Yeah. Oh yeah, I like that one. Ooh, it's gonna look better. More delicious. I wonder if because there's a bone, it's a little harder to cook. Probably. With a bone, it takes longer.
Okay, we're gonna try a pork chop.
People are gonna think we're bad parents.
Yes. Should I cut it this way, Mom?
This is the juice that Uncle Kyle got really pumped up.
Okay. All right, you wanna be in this picture? Okay.
I'll just try one with my fingers.
Okay, cheers. It's a cheers. Ching. It's very tasty. Even with not a lot of
Is it too salty?
no. Good.
Try it.
Juicy.
Rachel, you want to try one?
Okay, Royal.
That's good. Excellent. Is this plantation pork chop?
This is just
That's pork.
Fast kind pork chop.
fast time. Easy time. This is the kind where you don't have to
Again, for all of you who donated to Peace on Your Wings, thank you so much for donating. I know we're still getting donations in, so we really appreciate it. And we're looking forward to going to Japan. But yeah, thank you so much.
the message.
Bringing in the message.
Yes, it's gonna be awesome.
We never asked you about Peace on Your Wings, Mom. What is your, if you had to share how you feel about the show?
Well,
would you
of
say?
course, you know, I mean, you're asking somebody whose daughter wrote it, and whose other daughter directed it.
So you're biased?
I'm a little biased. I'm not the right person to ask. But I've always been moved by it. Always. I think it's a got a great message.
Okay, so mom also decided to make an impromptu coleslaw. So we'll see what she puts in it. Okay.
So here I'm juicing. I juiced up. I had a big lemon. So I think it's a Meyer. It might be a Meyer lemon, maybe, but it's a big lemon.
So tell me, what do you put into your coleslaw?
Some kind of acid. So this today I'm using lemon.
Also, sometimes it's like a.
Sometimes it's vinegar.
Oh, I was gonna say orange. No.
No. Sometimes it's vinegar, but today we're using lemon.
Okay.
We have lemon.
I'm assuming this is what we're
I'm
using.
gonna wash that. We're gonna just use half the head.
Half the head.
And it's just lemon. It's very, very, very simple.
Very
Lemon, salt, and mayonnaise. It is really delicious. And sugar, of course. We have to have sugar.
Lemon, salt, mayonnaise, and sugar.
Yes.
Okay.
It's just kind of eyeballing it. So
Got it.
don't really measure.
Oh, you want to help Grandma Gail make the coleslaw?
She's gonna help me mix, right, Aiko?
Can we mix over here or no?
I need some lemon.
Aiko, let's mix over
You're
here.
gonna put the lemon in, okay? Half. Oh, a little bit more. Okay, I think that's good. Now I'm gonna put a little bit of salt. Can you pass this?
I gotta get it.
Okay.
Got it.
Some salt. Here, this side, Aiko. Here, I'll show you this side. Okay. And we're gonna put the salt in. Let's use a spoon. How about we use? We'll put 1/4 of a teaspoon. Ready? Go. Good job.
Why do you need salt?
One. Okay.
Okay.
There's just a spoon in there, Mama.
You're a good cabbage cutter.
Okay, now you're gonna put the sugar in. Okay, let's put it in here. Okay, now we're gonna get the whisk and we're gonna whisk it. And then, Michael, we have to see how it tastes first. Is there enough sugar?
Mom, sorry, is it like this? Remember how you did this?
It's delicious.
Is it?
Is it good? I'm gonna put a little bit more lemon. Let's put a little bit more lemon. Now don't put all of it now. Good job, Michael. You want to taste it? Like mayonnaise.
That's yummy.
And then we'll have lots of cabbage. Ooh, Aiko loves coleslaw. Ready?
Shut up!
Yes. Okay, we're ready for that. We're ready for the cabbage.
Ready, what's up?
Can have our little.
Hi, Grandma. Hi. Good to see you. We're gonna eat dinner, yeah? We're gonna eat dinner. Yeah. Okay. Break.
Why?
Because that's just how it is. I don't know how to.
I like how you ask questions.
Yeah.
Good. Always ask a lot of questions.
A little bit more salt.
How to try, Mom? Are you good, Grandma? Good. Good.
table.
Grandma, we're gonna celebrate your 100th birthday soon. We're gonna celebrate your 100th birthday soon.
Really?
Yeah. Are you excited? You know you're gonna be 100? You know that you're gonna be 100? No, but you know you're gonna be 100. Okay, I'm gonna put this on the table. I'm gonna put this on the table, okay? Okay. So dinner tonight is pork chops, salad. We have some Zippy's chili and some coleslaw. Grandma, how's the food, Grandma? How's the food? How's the pork?
No, I never started yet.
Oh, okay.
Because he was working.
Take try.
Sure, it's good.
You sure it's good? Okay.
Give her some ketchup.
Okay.
Uncle has a fork.
Here, Grandma, I'm gonna give you some ketchup. Okay. Let's see the taste test. How is it?
Good.
Winners. Mom, good job. Grandma said it's good.
Thank you. I'm gonna find a soft one. Very cool.
Ellie's drinking milk. Hi. Hi, Ellie Belly. Hi, Ellie Belly. I'm gonna try one of the Japanese strawberries.
Aiko, would you like to try a strawberry? Can I have one?
Oh,
Here, it's a special one.
it is very sweet actually, and it's very soft. It's very good.
Aiko, come.
Oh,
Like Japan?
Aiko, look.
Remind you of Japan?
yeah, it's good.
Yeah, is it worth it? That's like $1.25.
$1.25 a strawberry. I mean, it definitely is like where you savor the flavor. You eat it slowly.
Is it good, Aiko? It's good, yeah.
It's good.
It's really tasty.
Good.
It's very tasty.
There's a big mold on this one.
Oh no,
Oh,
cut it.
I'll take that. I'll put it on.
Okay, Danny, how is the strawberry?
Huh? Oh, it's good. It's very sweet.
For $1.25, you should return this.
It's different.
Yeah, it does taste different than tastes different than like strawberries from here or from the US. So the pie that we got is this cream pie, chocolate cream pie from Times. I don't think we've ever had this before. Oh, something fell on the ground. Ooh, looks good though. I'm gonna cut the pie. Grandma, how is the dinner? How's dinner? Good. Yeah, good. How's dinner, Reid?
Dinner was great. Pork chops were awesome. The chili was on point. I didn't have any of the lobster. Ellie also liked dinner. So much she pooped.
How was dinner?
Good job on the pork chops.
My pie.
Thank you. Put it over
Cream.
here on the table.
For cascading.
Thank you. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you. Good job.
It's good. Anyway, we're gonna end the video here. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, this impromptu dinner with the family, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.